Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, let's start with today's news. Alright, William Gallas will be one of the former Arsenal players and one of the football pundits out there. Come as I talk about Ivan Toney, talk about Osimhen, Arsenal. So back one day of the opinion, say Arsenal made them go sign Osimhen, because him prefer Osimhen to Ivan Toney. Can give an example? Because say Ivan Toney no be world class player. Say the guy just good, but he no really be that world class compared to like Osimhen. Say Osimhen is the complete striker. Say make Arsenal go sign that one, and that one will make a whole lot of sense. So Osimhen will do much damage to this Ivan Toney. I quite agree. Yes, okay, Osimhen in good, he don't win some laurels for Napoli when they were Champions League. They play. Ivan Toney don't really get that much experience to Osimhen, and Osimhen is younger. I think Osimhen is 24. Osimhen is younger, but Osimhen the problem dey. The money wey the Laurentiis of Napoli, the president, go actually put for Osimhen head, she Arsenal fit afford am. No be say Osimhen no be good player yet. She Arsenal fit afford that money. That is the $1 million question. And another risk wey dey there be say Osimhen is not playing in the EPL now, for the Serie A in the play and French League 9 from come. So can he replicate the same form for England? Just like Darwin Núñez, the boss net for Benfica, he come here now, he humble. So can he do that? Life now risk. You know me say no fit do am, but we are just asking the question: can he do that? Even the Ivan Toney said, even come Arsenal, she go fit better. All these things are risk, but those risks are normal level. The major question now, the money when Napoli go mention for Osimhen head, can Arsenal afford it? Can Arsenal pay 120, 130, 140 million pounds for this Osimhen? That's the $1 million question. Don't be about quoting the name of the player to make Arsenal go sign am. Can we afford it? That is why people like Kevin Campbell, they come outside, they talk, say make Arsenal, instead of buying Osimhen, use that money, buy two players, buy Pedro Neto and Ivan Toney, and we go better. So everything the audience and Ateta will decide. Get now the audience will be their own view based on what the Gallas they talk, even though we know say Ateta will still get the final say. Alright, so they're going to ask Trent Alexander-Arnold, say which past player he would like to play alongside with, like when don't feel say you don't watch that past player game and he would like to play with that particular person at Thierry Henry. Say almost even with Henry for field, they call it for one flank, like the same way they give him enough assists. Like, you know, say as a fullback gets way, if you get somebody very, very prolific in front of you, when they score goals plenty, when they get joy, and I say, okay, make our follow and overlap, make I get through pass, so make I throw some kind of pass to them. So for that reason, people can't be surprised, say, why no call Fernando Torres, why no call Suarez, why no call plenty people don't play for Liverpool? But I say no, I say Igwe, Henry, I ain't go call. Alright, Gallas again can come outside and talk about the Arsenal versus Chelsea match. So he can do of the opinion, say him, the way we see that match, say the match will be somehow tight. So many people know the judge Chelsea based on where they be for table, because they don't see so many narrative people. They say maybe Chelsea they're no good again. Say no, Chelsea get young players and they can't get some kind of injury setbacks will really affect them. So if to say they get a clean bill of health, say everybody don't complete, you would have been seeing a different Chelsea. I'm talking about a Chelsea that has an Nkunku waiting for bench, when they get injury, Rhys James, they get injury. So even though they say that one don't come back, many of their players don't even say they get injury, but we never know the one they will deploy against us. So you can just for the match. Arsenal, on the other hand, they have a very, very good defense. They have a very good midfield. Now only their attack and be the major problem. So they see a draw for that match. So, but me, I know subscribe to the line of thought. So even though everybody get their right to speculate, because right now what we are doing is in the realm of speculation. Me for that match, I see Arsenal winning because the match will be end-to-end stuff. And when it comes to attacking firepower, I think Arsenal have a better attack than Chelsea. Yes, we have a better midfield than Chelsea. We have a better defense than Chelsea. So that way me, I see. So I don't see anything away from a 3 points. Even Gallas I can't concede later because I say, saying we'll see whether Arsenal will fit go Chelsea, Stamford Bridge, collect 3 points, go back to the Emirates. Say you know the route for that one, you know feel say that one go happen. Say na draw in the sea, but if that one happen, I say Arsenal be fun. Then I go in the sea, but we'll just watch. Alright, for the Euro 2024 when they come, so UEFA don't bring out a new rule again. So What we gonna hear now be say coaches no go fit carry 26 players go for the competition again till na 23. And now when they mention this new announcement, many players wan dey worried. You get people like Aaron Ramsdale, they go dey worry say this one say don reduce the number to 23. So whether they go fit carry them go. You get so even the educator now sef go dey worry say this one don reduce. I no go better make I just run go Ghana. Go switch my allegiance. Yes, so these are some of the questions wey dey out there because now after COVID, yes, now make them increase that number, but now COVID don't go now, so they don't take the number back to pre-COVID era where they carry 23 players go for this competition. I know say pre-COVID for normal EPL now 3 changes they do, but after COVID because they do like 5 changes, so I know that they will reverse that one also, but let's keep watching. Alright, Jorginho will be one of the players at Arsenal. This is a second giving experience for Arsenal. So one thing we like about this Arsenal crop of players, you see, nobody get ego. Like everybody they drop an ego for the gates, the Arsenal gates. When you enter inside, you mellow, you humble yourself, you relate with everybody. Nobody big pass anybody for here. Regardless of what you don't win for your career. Everybody just did normal. Say they just did okay. There are no egos in the dressing room, and one of the things where they really help them, they thrive. Anybody with that opinion can voice your opinion for the group. Everybody will listen to them. If it makes sense, they will take them. If it don't make sense, they will throw it. So it just be. So it's compared to other places where you don't play, at least now he be the vice captain for Chelsea before him come out. So he really know how dressing rooms they be. At least in there for the Italian dressing room too. So he know how everything they go. So come say this Arsenal no. I'm gonna say the units with the I'm gonna be here. I can't see Sancho statistics this morning because they talk say Sancho they won't sell him for January because the relationship with Ten Hag it already scatter. Like he failed to apologize. So for that reason, they never really play him since I think September when he get that issue. So now they probably check this guy's statistics based on saying go they available for January. I want to see whether Arsenal will go for him since they cheap now. So imagine somebody that buy 73 million pounds for 2021. He don't play 82 games for Manchester United, 82, and he scored just 12 goals. What kind of return? Like, how does a player have this kind of statistics and there is no media outrage? Imagine saying an Arsenal player and then they put out this kind of statistics. All those kind of Gary Neville, Roy Keane, all of them will run come as I can talk 1 or 2. But look at their own player now. Everybody is tight-lipped. Nobody will talk anything. All those will failing on them. Nobody will say Sancho. How do you score 12 goals in 82 appearances and they bought you for 73 million pounds in 2021? This is a player that was scoring goals at plenty. He played about 163 appearances for Dortmund and he scored like 50 goals and made 60 something assists. So what's going to happen from Dortmund? You can't come for the EPL, come for Manchester United, you don't come better. Should we say the league now humble and like this league, EPL, is stronger and tougher than the German Bundesliga? Or now Manchester United don't know how to use the player? Like, which excuse? No wonder people like that invest come as they talk say Pepe actually outperformed the likes of this Sancho and the likes of Anthony. Anthony, no worry, he own day they come. They will explain how they buy 86 million pounds when they score nothing yet. And just to dance from field of play, go home. They go explain like what did the baby verse we say? Why is there no media outrage? Man, now we're going to just say Liverpool send scouts to come watch Osimhen for this international level where they say all those matches they play against Saudi Arabia and one other international friend. Say they come watch Osimhen. So the question now becomes, should Liverpool won't sign Osimhen? That is Osimhen available? Do they have inside information from Napoli camp that Osimhen will be available in January? This is the question me and they ask. Now, if Osimhen finally becomes available in January, should make Arsenal join the race to sign up? Do we have the money? Can we compete? Get will Osimhen say want to join Arsenal? Because I don't see that Manchester United fan be. So I don't say don't talk some kind of things about Man U. But now if say Man U don't get Rasmus Højlund, it no go make sense for him to now go there again. So I don't know. I just make I put my opinions out there because he's younger, bigger, stronger, than Ivan Toney. But Ivan Toney is used to the league, and Ivan Toney on his own self, he did prolific. You cannot compare Brentford and what do they call Napoli. Napoli is a big team. You get for a country. Brentford are like average team. So if they make comparison, we could check all those things. The chances where all those Kvaratskhelia, all those people they create for Osimhen when they busted, nobody really they create all those kind of chances for Ivan Toney for Brentford. So when you are making comparison, make sure you put that variable on the table to understand the dynamics. So This is what it is. My mom say anybody then sign as long as na part of this people me and the love. Whether na Gurase, whether na Osimhen, whether na Antonio, anybody, are they okay? Alright, Fabrizio Romano don't come as I call it, also they are aware of any discussion between Newcastle and Arsenal over Emil Smith Rowe. So maybe they won't sign up. I want you to know, they say Newcastle are not really in the market for anybody because they won't get clarity whether they will qualify to the next round of the Champions League. If they no come out, if they come out for the group stage, say they no qualify for the next round, then they no go really buy because they get a lot. Their squad don't plenty. Get so if they're not playing Champions League football again, they still get many more score. But if they qualify, they're going to look for new reinforcement to do well in that competition. And the way Fabrizio will talk about, make I put a caveat. Remember, say Fabrizio will talk based on his sources. Other people like maybe Ben Jacobs, David Ornstein, Charles Watts and the likes, they figure their own sources to report on this same story. So Fabrizio is not the almighty Alpha and Omega. So whatever I talk, the rest now like no. Now according to his sources, get so for just the word to get more clarity. I will let you know. Alright, so one of our community members they call Wankwo Stephen. Okay, Stephen sent me 10k. So first make I send my answer making support our ministry, but we go forward. So anyway, to see money to bless us and support our show. May God replenish your pocket, senior man in Jesus' name, and inshallah. Amen. God bless you both. Alright, away from that, so Arsenal can't win the league with this type of players. Now, waiting William Gallas. The commission Gallas this morning, the guy on the blast Arsenal. I don't talk anything favorable about Arsenal again. So he say with the kind of players who get to, and mainly where your own criticism they come now for the striking department. That's our number 9. As long as we don't have a goal scoring striker, so we know if we win the league. Check out all the teams that don't win the league. Check out their number 9. We look back your days of when the likes of Leicester win the league. Go check how many goals Jamie Vardy score. Go check when Chelsea they win the league. Go check how many goals did they drop back score. Shina Debo Costa will talk about. Check how many goals he scored. So mention the title winning squad and check out how just are you want to talk about Bayern Munich? Check how many goals Lewandowski they score for them. You want to check about Barca who just win the league of recent? Check how many goals Lewandowski. Like the examples are so. You want to talk about Napoli who win the league? Check how many goals Osimhen score. The example too much. It plenty. Look at Bayern Leverkusen, the way they are going now. They want to win the league. Go and look how many goals Victor Boniface don't score. Man City one way win the treble. Go and look how many goals they don't score. So you cannot talk about goal scoring exploits and exclude it from title winning performances. Get if you want to win the league, that is why I subscribe to Otigal as they talk. If you want to win the league, you need a goal scoring striker, not a hold up play striker. Not an assistant striker, not a striker that makes other people play well. You need a goal scoring striker. And I like the fact that many people don't talk this thing, they put their opinion out in the public space, get so that everybody will know how they go because now there, me say if I stand, get I no respect of anybody, get my own say make the team they do well. And I thought I make it bring your ruthlessness. Bring up for our striking position, make we bring a better striker who's going to be proud. As we be proud of our defense, they're proud of our midfield. Are you proud of our attack? The answer is no. So it is what it is. Alright, my dear Arsenal lovers, if you don't watch yesterday, you should check the top left corner of your screen to see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So start signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and game out.